Hello, I'm Amanda Leal-Lisaire with RealEstateSINY.com. This week we have 3 new reports to review in addition to our standard weekly reports. The new residential construction report for February was released, the existing home sales report for the month of February was released, and the notes and transcript from the FOMC meeting were released as well this week. Mortgage rates wavered this week, opening with the 30-year fixed rate increasing to 4.36%, the 15-year fixed rate decreasing to 3.36%, and the 5-year ARM increasing to 3.4%. Stock markets rose, but not enough to make an improvement in confidence throughout America. The Dow Jones opened this week on the 13th at about 16,342 and closed on the 19th at about 16,222. Additionally, the S&P 500 opened on the 13th as well, opening at about 1,869 and closed on the 19th at about 1,860. Both stocks need to see significant improvements to see the improvement in our overall confidence in the economy. Gallup.com released their weekly economic confidence survey, shedding more light on an already dismal amount of confidence in our economy. Their weekly poll reveals a confidence index of -18 for the week ending March 16th, a slight increase but not nearly as much as we'd like to see. According to the report, 56% of Americans feel as if the economy is getting worse, and 39% of Americans feel as if the economy is getting better. Mortgage Bankers Association released their weekly mortgage application survey, detailing a decrease in the MCI of 1.2% on a seasonally adjusted basis and decreased 1% on an unadjusted basis. The refinance index decreased 1% this week, and the purchase index remained unchanged this week, which is 15% lower than this same week in 2013. The new residential construction for the month of February 2014 was released this week. In said report, the building permits for privately owned housing units authorized were at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1,018,000 homes. Single-family authorizations in February were at a rate of 588,000 homes. Housing starts for privately owned homes were at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 907,000 homes. Single-family housing starts were at a rate of 583,000 for the month of February. Housing completions for privately owned homes in February were at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 886,000 homes, and single-family housing completions were at 631,000 homes for this month. The report for existing home sales in February was released this week as well. Existing home sales declined this month, partially due to the severe weather and limited inventory. Total existing home sales declined 0.4%, bringing it to 4.6 million. February's pace of sales was the lowest since July of 2012. Additionally, the report details the median existing homes price was $189,000. Distressed homes, short sales and foreclosures, made up 16% of February sales, 11% of which were foreclosures and 5% which were short sales. Lastly, 34% of homes were on the market for less than a month. Without supply, all we have is a growing demand for homes. With that, prices will rise, making homes less affordable for the multitude of people ready and waiting to purchase. America as a whole needs to see a large improvement economically in order for confidence to begin and reach its previous highs. That's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to follow us on all our various social media platforms with links below in the description.